Hello friends, today I want to share the process of updating the details of any item at your UDM. Many friends are asking how to update anticipated annual consumptions because every year it is more likely to get updated. So let us see how you can update the AAC and other details on your UDM. See the process, it's very easy. See, this is the IREPS page from where you need to log in as usual. My user ID and password are already filled. Now you need to select your DSC. I have logged in. See, this is the dashboard. In order to update the AAC and other details, you have to go to the issue option. See here, click on this and very easily you can update it from here. Update location details, location or any other details, you can update it from here. See. You need to first search item to which you want to do the alteration. You can select it from here by entering the PL number or the description. See, I'm going to select it. Here this is the existing details and here you can revise it. AAC, existing AAC is 40 number, you can enter here revised AAC. Similarly, you can enter here the threshold limit. I have kept it 0, so you can update it too. And many other details you can update from here. You can add the image from here. I have already added the image and click on update and all the details will be updated. Once again, to update the details, you have to go to the issue and from here you have to go to the update location or details tabs. After clicking here, you can search item to update and from here you can enter the description or PL number, anything you can enter. Suppose I have to update the AC of the faceplate. Let me search it. Now faceplate is appearing here and you can easily update its detail from here. See, these are the existing details and in this cells you can enter the updated value and finally click on the update and information will be saved. Okay, thank you. I hope this information is very useful to you and you liked it. Thank you.